can be your nighttime lover. We'll dance under the moonlight cover. The pleasures I will make you discover. I'll make you feel like no one ever. We can be nighttime lovers. Nobody has to know nothing about us. Accompanied by the birds and the summer night. I'll drive you home before the sunrise. I can be your midnight lover. 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 I can be your midnight lover.
There is a line between dreaming and feeling blue. It's 4 o'clock in the evening. I haven't left my room. But the truth is, if I'm honest, I feel stuck here in the middle. Am I one of those crazy people? Should I stay here or should I let go? Sheets over my head, hoping change is gonna find me. You don't have to. I fell for you. Nothing has been quite the same since I fell for you. I can't recognize myself. I watch your stories, I like it. We could be close before the night ends. So into you. My heart is racing, I can't help myself. You never look my way, you're stuck in suspense. I've been daydreaming, dreaming, gave up on sleeping, feeling like I'm high on fever. You know I'm building castles in the sky, always dreaming, dreaming, still out of reach, but in my mind I see us clearly, you and I, building castles in the sky, holding on. Maybe I should let you go. Something about you feel like home, stuck in my head like a favorite song. Guided, I just sing along, don't care what they say. Our love is different, I like it. Watching from a distance, I'm trying to keep my cool. My love 어둠이 다가와도
Good morning.
괜찮아 매일 널 가득 안아둘래 바다 같은 너의 눈을 보면서 우리 둘만의 사랑 고백 온 세상에 살구빛이 번져 소중한 것만 몰라 전부 주고 싶어 나에게 Let me have you pull me closer 기다려 가까이 My love 눈물이 난대도 괜찮아 매일 널 가득 안아둘래 바다 같은 너의 눈을 보면서 우리 둘만의 사랑 고백 그대 따뜻하게 날 감싸주네요 매일 널 가득 안아둘래 바다 같은 너의 눈을 보면서 우리 둘만의 사랑 고백
Good morning guys! Na-ready ko na yung breakfast ng mga bata. Nagbibihis lang sila. And meron na silang hot chocolate. Ayan. Habang magbe-breakfast sila, gagawin ko na yung kanilang lunch. Say good morning!
Good morning.
Good morning. Si Holly yung jumper niya, hindi niya mahanap kung nasaan. So, naka-underama siyang jumper.
Is there banana in it?
Ha?
Is there banana in it?
Yes.
The hot chocolate's good too.
Yeah, that's the new one, the Lind.
Ah.
The Lind chocolate.
Good.
Good?
Yeah. Good. The hot chocolate's good too.
Yeah, that's the new one. Lind.
Ah.
The Lind chocolate.
Good.
Do you want lettuce stock on your sandwich? How about you, Kuya?
No, thanks.
No?
Yes, but it's not what I had yesterday.
Alright.
I was I was extra here. But
Extra
no,
na.
thanks.
Just regular. Do you want sauce?
No,
Sauce?
thanks.
No? Kuya?
No,
Yes,
thanks.
please.
How about you, Yan? No?
No, thanks.
Just stuck and Holly.
I'm full.
Oh, that's good.
I drank my hot chocolate too. Nice one.
Welcome. Oh, Oh yeah, I forgot the marshmallow. I forgot the marshmallow. Tomorrow, next time.
Yeah.
Mom, I was gonna say if you put marshmallows in it. I was gonna say if you put marshmallows in it.
I know, I forgot, Baba. You don't want sauce, right? Yeah?
No, no sauce.
Just extra ham.
Yes, please. And 2 cheeses.
Double cheese?
Yeah. Right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I guess it's all to my...
All the chocolate was down the bottom.
Oh. I think this is a lot already.
Yeah. I'm gonna get my shoes on.
Hmm?
I'm gonna get my shoes on.
Okay. Are you still alright there, Baba?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah. I like the pancakes.
You like the banana pancakes?
Mm-hmm.
How about the fruit?
Yeah, I like the fruits. I like the raspberries and blackberries and blueberries.
Yeah.
Really warm. Yeah. You won't even like it because it's cold. Hot. Oh, when you're done, go. You don't mind being like those plastic bags?
The cling wrap. This one?
No, like that.
Yeah, but I have to cut. This is too big.
I'm gonna get that.
Can you get me banana for Holly, please?
You can still have that.
Huh?
You can still have that.
Yeah, thank you. Baba, oh.
Yeah. I'm gonna put my shoes on.
I don't know.
You don't know? Alright.
Yeah.
See ya. See you. Listen in.
Yeah.
You love my breakfast?
Yep.
Alright.
Yeah.
See ya.
Can you just open this wide so I don't
Okay.
this?
Give me your bag.
Yeah.
Are you gonna ride bike? Are you? Mag-ride siya ng bike. Okay, come on. Careful. I already opened this one. Okay, not that tight anymore. Can you open that one? See you. Listen and
No.
tipid ni Kuya mag-kiss. See ya. Wait for Holly. Listen and say see ya.
Yeah.
See ya, Zach.
Yeah.
See ya. See ya. Bye. See you, Baba.
Yeah, Mom.
Love you. Listen and learn. Hoy, wait for your sister. So, nakalis na yung ating mga estudyante and eto yung tira nila sa akin. So, mamaya para yan sa aking yogurt. So, maglinis lang muna ako dito.
Something's in the air. I can feel it everywhere. Every color seems to bloom, and there's light in every room. Now they're looking up. I can see it in your eyes that lately it's been tough, but now the sun is rising. And we're new people. Let's be new people. There's summer. Don't let me down, down, down. Don't let me down, down, down. I wanna be up, 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 so high. 'Cause I've been down, down, down. I've been down, so down, and now I'm done. I'm aiming for the sky. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. I'm aiming for the sky. Everyone got stories,
Lang ang mga ito sa
so
kanina.
let's start listening. Let the rain wash away the tears that keeps crippling. Now they're looking up. I can see it in your eyes that lately it's been tough, but now the sun is rising, and we're new people. Let's be new people. There's summer. Don't let me down, down, down. Don't let me down, down, down. I wanna be up, 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 so high. 'Cause I've been down, down, down. I've been down, so down, and now I'm done. I'm aiming for the sky. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Aiming for the sky. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. I'm aiming for the sky. Now they're looking up. I can see it in your eyes that lately it's been tough, but now the sun is rising, and we're new people. Let's be new people. There's summer. Don't let me down.
Until my heart gives in, I will do everything that I can for you. You will grow up in a blink of an eye and move out and be on your own. But no matter what
are serious about us. Yeah, baby, your love is cold, but I don't feel the trust. Something's not adding up. What you been up to? Drinking all night. Who's that right by your side? Why don't you tell me now? Oh, why you calling me late at night, saying you need a ride when you don't tell me why? I got a thing about you, you got a thing about me too, but you keep playing with my feelings, even though you know I got a thing about you. We got a thing for each other, so don't go wasting what you feeling. Don't be dumb, be dumb, be dumb. 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 Sorry is a word to you when you don't show on time, when you go out of line. Yeah, sorry is a word of truth. It isn't always enough. Sometimes you gotta hide what you've been up to, drinking all night. Who's that right by your side? Why don't you tell me now? Oh, why you calling me late at night, saying you need a ride when you don't tell me why? I got a thing about you, you got a thing about me too, but you keep playing with my feelings, even though you know I got a thing about you. We got a thing for each other, so don't go wasting what you feeling. Don't be dumb, be dumb, be dumb. Don't be dumb, be dumb, be dumb. Don't be dumb, be dumb, be dumb. Don't be dumb, be dumb, be dumb.
Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got our lines crossed? We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter, while wishing for something better. I try to fix things that weren't broken, misunderstandings and words unspoken. We fall apart and I won't dare to say, do you feel the same way? Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. same way, then don't pretend that everything's okay. Don't string me along the way you do. Just let me get over you. Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you. So maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. 'Cause I don't wanna waste my time. No, I don't wanna waste my time. No. Maybe you don't wanna know. You don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you. So maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. 'Cause I don't wanna waste my time. No, I don't wanna waste my time. No, no, I don't wanna waste my time. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I feel so. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me.
Every moment tonight, they led me to you. Every single time you look at me, I lose it.
Finally, nalubat yung ating camera kasi kaninang umaga pa siya nagra-run. So, nagpalit lang tayo ng battery and finally, nakaupo na ako. Time check is 12:31 na guys. Nag-start ako 6:15, 6:20 pero nag-alarm ako 6 o'clock pero lumabas ako sa kwarto mga 6:15 or 6:20 around, yeah, mga ganong oras. And ngayon pala ako nakaupo and pinansya ko yung buhok ko kasi mamaya aalis and bis na ako, naligo ako kasi may init ngayon, sobrang init ngayon compare kahapon. Ngayon mainit and hindi pa ako nakapaglakad kasi sabi ko magpahinga muna ako and mag-edit muna tayo bago ako mag-walking. And then later alis din ako kasi si Sak guys back to basketball training siya. Wala siyang laro ngayon. May training siya for 1 hour. Then next week back to training and laro na siya. And then alam niyo ba si Holly may additional na naman siyang practice ngayong Tuesday kasi ang schedule ni Holly, ito na kasi yung 4th term. Nung last term, Tuesday and Wednesday lang siya. And then sometimes may Saturday kasi pag malapit na yung comp, ganun talaga, nag-additional silang practice. But this time, meron si Holly additional na ipapartner siya sa junior. Kinausap ako ni Kim, isa siya sa may-ari ng Hype and instructor din siya. So, tinanong niya ako kung pwede niyang isali si Holly sa isang sayaw na may partner na junior for the upcoming concert. And alam niyo ba guys, yung concert is, hindi ko alam kung nabanggit ko sa inyo yung date ng party namin. Kasi di ba nabanggit ko sa inyo na dito magki-Christmas party yung Inday for the first time and nagkasundo na sa date and yung date is December 2 and alam niyo ba yung concert is December 2 din. Ngayon lang nangyari na December gagawin yung concert sa Hype. Kasi usually November talaga siya. Ngayon December 2, hindi ko pa nasasabi sa kanila na may schedule si Holly ng concert December 2. So, hindi ko alam. Pero siguro kaya naman. Gawin ko na lang siguro i-prepare yung mga dapat i-prepare para sa party sa gabi. Kasi si Jan naman yung bahala sa boys siya magba-barbecue sila. Yung sa girls, at saka syempre yung dessert, siguro gawin ko na lang sa gabi. We'll see guys. Kasi yung concert morning and afternoon. So paano ang party namin alas 5. So sana matapos bago mag alas 5. So gagawin ko siguro. Yeah, not sure guys. Hindi ko pa alam. So yun yung kagabi din iniisip ko paano ko gagawin. Kasi yung concert, okay lang sanang December pero tinoon talagang December 2. As in December 2. Ginawa namin December 2 kasi aalis yung mga Inday. Like si Raisha kasi Lai, aalis sila. Magpipilipin sila, diba? Inagahan namin ngayon yung party. Kaso, yun nga. Hindi ko naman inaasahan na yung concert is December 2. Kaya, yeah. Kahapon ko lang nalaman kasi nga in-invite si Holly. Kasi ngayon mag-start ng gabi yung practice ni Holly na ipe-perform niya sa December 2, which is the concert. So, yun guys, yung update. So, mag-edit muna ako. Kinuskus ko pala yung aming glass door kasi ang daming handprints. Pero yung window dun sa kusina, hindi ko muna kinuskus kasi okay pa naman siya, clear pa naman siya sa paningin ko. Eto kasing door na to, nababother ako pag may nakikita kong maraming handprints. So, kanina kinuskus ko na siya. So, ngayon, mag-edit muna ako. And si Jan, nandito na pala si Jan. Nasabi ko na ba sa inyo nandito si Jan? Oh, nakita nyo na duman si Jan na puto lang tayo. Dumating siya bago ako magsampay. Ang ganda ng weather ngayon. Mamaya mag-ano ako. Alas 4 yung... What time is Sakhan? 4? 4:15 yung... Ano ni Sak? Practice sa basketball. Tapos si Holly 6:45 to 7:15 si Holly. So, maghapon din naman ako sa sa town. And then bukas ulit si Holly. Han, what do you want for tea? Ganda. Shoulder. Alright. Bahala ka dyan. Sige, mag-edit muna ako. Hindi ko ito matatapos. I-start ko lang.
Because I think I do want you next to